This is Steve Peterson coming in at the Volcano in Delavan, Wisconsin. Okay, this little mud puddle here is a churning away. The sand is filled up even more since last night, but it's still leaving a path for the water. This guy here is a churning away. Got a nice plume coming off the side. Nice aquaclastic flow going on over there. Kind of cool. Even the main crater. It's got two little flows going out of it. One in the lower left, one in the upper left. Definitely still action going on. I'm very excited that it's still going. This is something else, man. There's like two churnings in this one. But I love that one little stream coming out of it there at the top. But that's two craters churning. Something's going to happen here soon. Look at it go. Ooh, that piece just broke out down there. That seems to be going faster since I got here. I don't want to leave. But the dog is crying for me. I'm sure you guys can hear him. Zeus! Okay. We will come back to this later on to check it out. Everybody say hi to Zeus! Hello, Zeus!